Hi guys, though. That guy, hi there. How do you like this so far? Are we down enough? Are we going more down? Are you scared? Hi man, thanks for this. Yeah, no problem man. Why not? Hello Mr. Late Up. Hi man, how you doing? There will be no else today. It will only be Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Great Red Week. Yeah, it's been fantastic, man. I'm watching else. Maybe else are picking up a little bit. What's for the music? The music, man. What's with the music? Is music fine? I really don't know how to set the music up and down. How can she go? Please talk, Ayla. There will be no else talk today. I'm sorry. Thanks for streaming. Stop loss went off. Not sure if to rebuy at the moment. My mom bought the dip. That's good for her, man. Hope she's happy. I give you a lot of music. Dynamic music. Are you the guy? Copyright free. Zen and money. So what are we thinking, guys? We are watching 5-minute chart right now. Damn, subs, since you had 609 subs. You growing fast, happy for you. Oh, thanks, man. You're one of the early adopters. Good for you, man. Good for you. 600 subs. That's long way back. No, that's actually. I had 155 in September, October. That's why I restarted streaming. So good for you, man. Yeah. Do the intro or I unsubscribe. Sure, man. Wait. The late adopter. Okay, you still there, man? Please don't unsubscribe, man. I just got 15k subs, man. Please don't unsubscribe. Hi, man. I want to ask you something. What happens if fundamentals affecting price to go up, but technically it is stuck resistance? What happens if fundamentals affecting price to go up, but technically it is stuck resistance? Not quite sure what you mean there, man. I love this. It's great, man. Nice to hear that. Music is fine. It's free music from YouTube, you know. It's just so I can start screaming. It looks like we are kind of bouncing and we are getting some kind of support on the 10 and 20 moving average on the 5-minute chart, whatever that's supposed to be. I suppose baby Jesus shall save the baby from liquidating. Boys from liquidating. Maybe. You should play intro every 10 minutes. Yeah, maybe. There are lots of people coming in, so maybe I should just play intro all the time. Why not? Bam! The late adopter. You know, the intro is gonna be very annoying after a while, I'm guessing. Listen to you every morning, Los Angeles. That's good, man. Right now I'm doing like Bitcoin video every morning, you know. I think that's important. So at least get the Bitcoin video because Bitcoin is moving the alts. So on the 5-minute chart, look like we're getting support on 5 and 10 and 20 moving average, so this can take a while. We still got like, how much do we got? We got 1 hour 22 minutes to the daily close. This is what I'm talking when I'm saying this is very, Bitcoin is very low. Look at this, man, look at this. This is RSI is sitting right now at 29. It was 28 and then it was 27, now it's sitting at 28 to 29. Look at this, man. Wait, I think we have to change the chart for this. I'm gonna show you something, guys. This is so bullish, so nice. This previous. Right now, let's put a very nice line down here, like this. This is the bull market, right? Previous bull market. This is the end of the bull market, and this is the around here start the bull market. So you can see here. These hits on the line, they are very bullish, super bullish. These indicate some kind of bottoms, right? This one over here, we started going slowly up. This one also here, slowly going up. This one over here, this was bottom, right? This one over here, this is bottom. Every time, and then of course we went kaboom, and then we went down to 30 again. So let's hope you are not over here then. But if you are not there, this over here right now, right over here now, that's what I'm saying. That looks so bullish, man, so bullish. I love that you don't pre-record intro. I actually had the pre-record intro before, but it just wasn't, it just didn't have the feel, you know. And I was like, let's just do something for fun of it. Hey, it kind of took off, so that's nice. This like a bunch of mates hanging out on live stream. Yeah, that's nice, right? Like we are not serious or anything. Like I know you guys. I read a lot of chat. I don't talk often in the chat, but I read a lot of chat because often I don't have anything better to do. Also, what is your actual name? Well, people called me Magnus Carlsen, so I don't know. We are going up or down, man. Well, right now, what 3.89. You know, the thing here, there is a thing here. You know, I was thinking about it, and I'm not quite sure if we hit the target or not. There was this 46.5 target here. I'm gonna show you right now. There was this 46. Oh, this wrong chart. Let's go to this chart over here. This chart is nice. 46.5 target, right? So basically, we had this. How can I draw this very nicely? Yeah, something like it really doesn't matter. I had this drawn a lot better. I think it was maybe 4-hourly chart. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, give or take. Maybe this was this one. Yeah, something like this. So basically, previous video we had this pennant, right? And I drew this pennant and we put it down the target. The target, it went all the way down here. So if you extract here on the breakout, it hits this 46.556 target, right? So that's the actual target. But we hit 56.9. So technically we hit the target. We just didn't hit on the dot. We just didn't hit, and now we're tracing. So I'm thinking like maybe this is finished. Maybe the dump is already finished. So I'm watching the 5-minute chart, trying to figure out if it's finished or not. Watching the moving averages, you know. And 30-minute chart still not even hitting it closely, but 5-minute chart like you know, it's a small pullback on the way down. Small pullback on the way down. So we cannot say anything quite yet. It's just too early to call it. You know, you can watch 5-minute chart and try to call it, but it's too early to call it on 5-minute chart. Are we looking for another dipping this week? Now, I think if this dips the way it should dip, I think we are done dipping. You remind me of my favorite teacher in high school. Been watching your channel for months. Best, it's on YouTube. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I try to keep it like a real, you know. I try to tell it like this. I did Solana token today. and I don't know if people are gonna like it, but you know, there's a lot of hype. It's quite overbought, so risky. Are we looking for is Dago a shitcoin? What do you think? I don't think I've heard about Dago. Alright, it's time to buy into BTC. So you think BTC will go under 47,000? That was the target, but we did not get to the target, so I don't know if we have finished or not, because target was 46.5, but these targets can be either underhit or overhit. So basically, technically, entire this area up here, both above or below, is actually the target, and we got almost close to the target. So I'm thinking we already hit the target from the pattern. So I think this is done. The late adopter, here's your comment. Greeting from Louisiana. Aaron, oh, this guy Aaron Riderbush, he comments every single video, man. Thanks for helping with the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. When I said do 2-hour live stream, I was just kidding, but you sir are absolutely amazing. Ah man, Steve Jobs, thanks man. It's not gonna be a 2-hour live stream. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I was thinking like I can sit here and chat with you guys, or I can just look at the screen and cry. I'm not crying. You know, you're only panicking and fearful when something happens and you don't expect it, right? But when you expect a dump, like you're expecting, there's nothing to be fearful about, you know. Yes, I saw the green candle and 1-hour chart confused the hell out of me because it was early to go up. Yeah, it's still going green. Look at it. It's 48.5. It's 40. It's picking up. Maybe it's finished, guys. Maybe it's finished. I'm telling you, maybe it's finished. Don't you have Italian roots? I think I'm like 2% Italian or something like that. I don't know. Maybe, maybe. I know from my mother's side, she's more like... Maybe I have some Italian roots, but it must be way back, way back. Road to 20k subscribe. The late adopter. Yeah. Just got 15 today, so 20 next time. So bear trap. Yeah, maybe it's a bear trap. Maybe it's something like that. Because the technicals on Binance, on Bitcoin on daily are really good. The RSI is so low, so low. The MACD, let's see MACD. MACD has also been going down very steadily, very fast. So it should start to change the color and start converging towards each other. So technicals on daily, very good. Weekly, you think this bearish cross, everybody's talking about this bearish cross, right? Oh, we are getting bearish cross. No. This is perfect. This is indicating that we are hitting the bottom. Look at this, man. Look at this. I'm gonna show you here. This is the start of the bull run, end of the bull run, and we're gonna do it like this, man, and just zoom in over here. So this is the end of the bull run. You can see here. Every time we go all the way there to the red, right, that's when you start pumping. Then you go down, then you start pumping, then you go down, then you start pumping. So this, the thing that's happening right now, this over here, super bullish. I'll find the bullishness in everything. Did you buy the iPhone? No, I did not buy the iPhone, but did buy the meal. So we are getting there, we are getting there. Great channel, good tier. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Crypto fanboy. Fuck boy. Whatever works for you, man. You are welcome. Thanks, man. Thanks, Aaron. Appreciate it. I'm also in Louisiana, New Orleans. Nice TL people from all around the world. Look at Smart Cash. I don't know what's Smart Cash. Where are you from? Norway, man. We live in Norway. Do you play chess, Magnus? I play chess. My rating is 1,400. But I started playing like earlier, but it's only during just before the pandemic hit. I started playing like a little bit more serious. I play on leeches. It's fun. Every time I'm on the toilet, I play chess. That's why my rating is 1,400. Do you think the crypto prices are just going to drop a huge amount more, or do you think it's been a low best time to buy? I don't know if it's best time to buy, but Bitcoin is right now picking up so much right now hitting this 50 moving average up here. Will it actually stop hitting the, on the 30 minutes, hitting the 10 moving average, and it just got too much sense. So I don't think the dump is yet finished. We just have to see, but it just picked up a lot on the way up, so we gotta see whether it's a good time to buy or not. Hard to tell, man, hard to tell. BTC gets new low, but BTT doesn't go to its late bottom. That's pretty good sign, no? Yeah, I think BTT might actually perform well later when Bitcoin starts to go up again. You think dump is finished? Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't see any confirmation. I know people might FOMO in right now and thinking it's gonna go up. Usually because it starts going down, and then people start selling, and suddenly it goes up, right? But they sold down here, and it goes up, and they think, oh, it's going up, and they start buying, and then it's continue going down. So, you know, anything can happen. But once dump is finished, you're probably gonna know dump is finished. So I don't think dump is finished just yet, but it might be. Hello, I just joined now. Do you know it is time to buy right now? I don't know if it's time to buy right now. You think dump is finished? Let's see what more people saying. Thank you for teaching us. I tried to throw away some clues. Well, a true investor, just fun name. That's good. I'm in surplus. Well, nice to meet you, man. I hope that's nice in Sulpur. I don't know where it is. Is the dip over? Maybe not. Wow, chat is picking up. This can be the bottom. I'm just trying to get over the comments and get to the bottom. I cannot get to the bottom. Can you look at the 1 minute time frame and see if this is the target? Okay, let's look at a 1 minute time frame. If I can just... Wow, 1 minute is actually above the 200 moving average, but that doesn't matter, man. On 1 minute chart, you want to have the 400 and 800 moving average. Just for HL today, I'm subscribed. Crypto fanboy, nice. That's nice. You are probably the one that took me to the 15k subs. Thanks, man. Thanks for your else, man. Much appreciated. Keep up the good work. You're welcome. Watching your videos help a lot. Thank you, man. Yeah, you're welcome, Kuntan. Just trying to spread my knowledge. Tempted to buy. Yeah, everybody is, man. Everybody. Everything is pumped this week. I think it is. I think it will. I think you are so good at this, and thanks for sharing with us, all giving us confidence and knowledge to succeed. Least I can do. I plan on getting 1,500 others sometime before Thursday. The question is when. Hard to tell. Do you think the quality projects will decouple from BTC dump? No. Luna Tia, please. I just did Luna. If you go to my channel, there is a Luna right now. I just did it late tonight, so you can watch the Luna Tia. Do chilies, but there will be no altcoins. We are just watching Bitcoin 1 minute chart. Why not? No, you have to have moving averages view. This is 1 minute chart. Some action. Correction is on. Double top bull run incoming. I don't know if it's double top bull run incoming or not. I don't think it is. Do you think it's dip? It's dip. Fan from South Africa. Nice to meet you. Hi, man. Hi. How you doing? Are you from Sweden, Norway? If you see a little bit long term, it's okay. Yeah, it's awesome. I can walk to Walmart from my home. Nice. It's always nice to live next to a big store. Hello from Florida. Thank you, sir, for your time. People from all around the world, literally. My rating is 2000. I teach you chess, you teach me Tia. I'm tempted to take the deal, but unfortunately I am not interested in any career within chess. I'm telling you, I literally play every time I go to the toilet. I take up the phone and play chess, you know. And when I'm waiting for the bus, or I'm doing something that like I have like 2-3 minutes to spare, I do blitz 3 minutes, you know. That's why my rating is so low. I'm just stupid, you know. I cannot get it. What do you think about Ethereum? Best project out there? Check out Era, not today. Bitcoin from China, right? There's a lot of Chinese that are doing Bitcoin, yeah. 2 chilies, no sorry. Fasten your seatbelt, rocket 2. Can you show the dump target of ADA, please? Not right now. We're just doing Bitcoin right now. Do you think it will hit the weekly EMA around 45 before pumping? Well, that was the plan actually. We had this target at... well, the target was for 46,556, but you can see this line, 45 line. That was actually my target. But I don't think we're gonna get to those levels. Safe moon, a pump and dump, or not even worth your time. I bought Safe Moon very very low, and then I sold Safe Moon with -20% so I sold Safe Moon with a loss, and after that Safe Moon went 100x. Can you tell about total market cap? Not sure what you want to know about total market cap though. Just bought some BNB, looks good on the daily. Yeah, BNB looks fine. I think it's got one more pump before it actually blows out. What happens to the BTC? It is dumping? I don't know. It's kind of holding for a while now. 3 weeks into crypto now, I'm addicted to the graphs. That's good, man. Welcome to the party. That's how everybody starts 2017 a bull run. You start watching charts and you can't stop. Then for the next 3 years you just watch charts all day long, all night long, and at the end of it you start a YouTube channel and show people in the next bull run how it's done. How far will BTC drop? We don't know. Maybe it's finished. Do you think Litecoin will recover? It's been going quite a big also opinion on Cardano. Wow, the chat is just too fast. Okay guys, you have to chill down with the chat. Seriously. I cannot read everything. I give up. I cannot read them. I thought there will be only like 50 people in here tonight because there is no notification on this video. Great work, Dragan. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. It'll hit 45. Your thoughts on that? Hello, man. Watching you 4 days now. Every day. I missed the Luna jump because I had to make food. Yeah, it jumps that fast. Sell, sell, sell. I know it's not time to sell. I took a gamble on ECP and Moon Pirate, lol. Yeah. You know, if it's your play money, why not? Rolling and smoking, the think BTC will correct further. I was looking at 45, but it looked like it stopped. Look how much it picked up. I think it's finished, man. I think it's finished. Maybe. Let's look at it. 30. No, it's 30 minutes chart is hitting the 50 moving average, so we're gonna see. Maybe not yet finished. If you want to learn about the charts, then you should follow this man, one of the best in the game right here. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yes, it comes share. Thanks for your analysis. Good job. You're welcome. Neighbors always welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Did Bitcoin broke the triangle you said yesterday? Yes, it did, man. Yes, it did. This is the triangle. It's broken on the downside. I expect it. Everything looks nice, but you know, I'm not the only one looking at this triangle. If you go now to the Crypto or the Moon or anybody else, like everybody's seeing the same triangle. This is like 101 and basic TI. Where do you live, man? Which country? Norway. Please drop more. Yes, please drop more. Come on, please drop more. 50k subs. Congrats, bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Guys, thoughts on Space Shark? He just got listed on Pancake Swap today. Is it pump and dump coin? Probably. I don't have anything against pump and dumps. Trust me. The only thing I want to know, I'm one of the first, or I know who the guy who started it. You know. Because after that, it just gets too risky. The best way to avoid the chat headache is stop looking at for 5 minutes. Refresh. It's fine. I'm getting to the bottom of the chat, so it's fine. Get ready for 46. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Would you say the bull run is over? No, I don't think so. It might be over, but then I might be mistaken very greatly. But I don't think it's over. No, the late adopter. Stocks of crypto. Dude, Tesla did 10x before Bitcoin did 10x. Yeah, stocks of crypto, man. No, I don't know. Why not bot? Why not bot? Why do you have to put us in a box, man? Nice flag. There, it will go up. We'll see, we'll see. It's getting rejected by the 30-minute. 3 minutes left, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Beast done, 52 sold. Thank you for the tea. You're welcome. Do you think that if SEC win the case, the XRP will burn, which means the current XRP holds get boosted in price? Absolutely no clue what's gonna happen, man, with the case and versus XRP and stuff like that. But I just look in the charts, and charts look bullish to me, so I go with that. But yeah, the fact that the SEC is in the picture it does put some kind of risk on XRP. But you know, if you are a risk kind of taker, you know, and you like to look at fundamentals and what's gonna happen or not, maybe that's your thing. I just like looking at the charts, so I stay away from the news and stuff like that. And if SEC lose, then exchange will follow XRP and be traded again. So if you get XRP now, it will be a win situation, or did I miss something? Hard to tell, man. I'm not that good into those things. You should probably listen to the guy Cryptos Are Us, you know, and stuff like that, people that talk about these kind of stuff. Buy deep, you don't even have to say please or thank you. You're welcome. 46,500, maybe. Help. Michael Jordan beat Kumas. What is the chance it will go to 20 week? Chances are always there. Technically, we are almost there. We need like to 43. That's so low. And since everybody, I'm always saying, since everybody are looking at the 43 to 45 target, the chances are we'll never get to 43 to 45 target. Hi, any thoughts on Luna and or hacks? Well, I've been talking about Luna on my Patreon and saying that it's good, so we liked Luna. And hacks, I've been both making videos on hacks and talking about hacks, and actually trading hacks as well. So, you know, hacks is made to go up in price, and it's actually doing that. So, I sold my cake at 28. Imagine, I hate crypto. Why would you sell the best performing crypto right now? What about Reef? Reef looks fine. It's just falling down Bitcoin right now. But where will the bottom be? Nobody knows, man. That's the thing with tech and us. We don't know where the bottom is. We are watching it until we hit the bottom, and then we know where the bottom is. I'm a huge believer in XRP. Anytime soon, holders will be very happy. I hope so, man. Hope so for you. What about Reef? I'm telling you, Reef looked good before it. Then Bitcoin dumped and didn't look good. But as soon as Bitcoin is finished, then good. 10 pounds from a guy called Saidul Alam. Thanks, man. Good luck, he says. Thanks, appreciate it. I love money. So send more. No, just kidding. You guys don't have to donate. I'm just doing this for fun. It's fine. What about it? Thank you for not spamming. Sign up for Bybit like the moon. I'm not spamming sign up for the Bybit. I'm spamming sign up for my Patreon. But the Bybit is just too risky for new people, so I would feel very bad if people go to Bybit and start leverage trading, because 99% lose the money. But do sign up for my Patreon. It's good value for the money. It's not just Bybit. It's not just affiliate thing. I promise you that. It's good value for the money. It's like $29 for a month, and that's like, and I do 29 videos on the Patreon. That's $1 per video. That's actually insane good deal. And every day I do rank 30 coins. Like, look what's good, what's not good, what's pumped, what didn't pump. Like, so it's very good deal. So that's the only thing I'm shilling, like my Patreon. You know, everybody got to shill something, you know, gotta put food on the table. Ripple lawyers have flipped the script, the SEC is now on the trial. Maybe, I'm following it. Just wait 5 years, hold crypto and your son will appreciate you. Yeah, long-term holding is the best. Moon token is about to hit, maybe. BTC next support at 33k. There are a lot more supports at, between the 33k and where it's now. What do you think about girls Hoskins? Oh yeah, girls Hedgehog Hoskins. I don't think much about him. Smart guy. Other than it's been a good buy right now, or would you wait? I cannot give you a buy-sell opinion. Sorry, man. What do you think about Charles Hoskins? Yeah, I don't. He's a smart guy, but what I think about it, not much. I need 2,500 to repay my home loan. I managed 50. Please help, guys. I'm in no way left. That's a lot of money. What about Eagled? Probably good, probably bad. Best deal indeed. Hello, BTC Go. Nobody else. I'm holding as not a trader. Am I mad? No, most people should, if most people are not traders, most people just buy and hodl. That's the best strategy for not trade, because if you try trading, if you're not a trader, you're gonna get burned so much, you're gonna lose a lot of money. You also playing a scare game. Don't panic, Bitcoin going to 1 million this summer. I hope so. What's the next support level? Okay, now we hit new all-time high on the viewers, 400 viewers at the same time, and I have absolutely it's just too hard to read the chat, guys. Sign off with Patreon, it's worth every single cent. Rifle, thanks man, appreciate it. Listen to the Rifle, guys. What's real scaling and penny Bitcoin going to 1000? What's the next support level for Reef? Not quite sure, I haven't checked out. I just bought an extra 200 worth of Cardano. I have 1000 in there, hoping for the best happen with the future project in Africa. Yeah, me too, man. A lot of people are putting their bet on the African. This next support level for Reef 0.022, not quite. CoinSkid. Somebody said CoinSkid. I don't know why he said CoinSkid, but shout out the CoinSkid, man. That guy just blew away from me. Got some drink, the chat will make your eyes lazy. Yeah, I'm drinking water, it's fine. What do you think about Chainlink? I got a long history with Chainlink, man. What do you think about the VeChain and Holochain? Not much, I just chart them. Cardano is going to 10 this year for sure. Maybe. Yahoo, BTC 1 hour candle about to close, bullish engulfing. 1 hour candle, sorry, what were we watching? Yeah, 1 hour candle closed engulfing, yeah, that's nice. 30 minutes getting rejected by the 10, that's even, that's worse than engulfing candle. But maybe we can break the 10 moving average on 30-minute chart, depends. But right now the 10, this is a nice candle. I cannot argue against that. 1 hourly candle is nice. Are you holding BTT? No, I'm not holding anything. What kind of car do you drive? Lambo? No, I drive Citroen Berlingo. How do you explain the codes of the charts? Could you make a video later teaching you how to leverage trade on Binance, as I failed to learn from other YouTubers? Don't leverage trade, spot trade only, but I'm making like a crash course in TA, so it will be up soon. Good point, guys, try to hodl. Yeah, always hodl. If you don't know how to trade, just hodl. Of course it will cover, of course, don't panic. Excellent, what do you think about it? Not so much. Good point, guys, try to hodl. Do you think VeChain has a good future? I don't know, not quite sure. Maybe. I'm down pros 340,000 on the BTC. Do you think BTC will recover? Yes, I think BTC will recover. Maybe BTC will recover. I don't want to give you false hopes, you know. I know a lot of people will give you hopes, but when will it recover? The question is not if, but when. When will it recover? Of course it will recover. Is Dogecoin a bubble? Dogecoin is always a bubble, but bubble that keeps on bubbling upwards. So yeah, you know, just like Bitcoin, it's always a bubble, and then it gets a bigger bubble and a bigger bubble, and you know. Why not leverage trade? Because volatility is too high for leverage trading on crypto. You can leverage trade if you know what you're doing, but chances are you might get burned, like especially if you are new to crypto. If you don't know how to take analysis, you will most likely lose all your money. What I think about Wink, it popped the bubble, it's now going through some consolidation. I used to have the simplest Citroen, excellent little car. Yeah, the car I drive right now actually is the company car, Citroen Berlingo, but we got another one, we got a Nissan Leaf, but we need a bigger car because of the kids. But I like my Citroen Berlingo, man. It got it's only like three sitting spaces or 2 sitting spaces in front. Got lots of luggage space, right? Nice car. It's you can drive it anywhere. It doesn't look that good, but it's very functional car. I like that. What does hodl mean? Hodl, like to keep the money, don't sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You just hodl, you just keep it. That's what hodling means. Bought some more alts today. Nice for you, man. Thanks. The thing is, for how long? Yeah, nobody knows. Like, realistically, 42 before the up action again. Maybe. Is it possible for BTC to recover too late? What do you mean that they recovered too late? I'm not quite sure. If it's recovered, it's recovered. Like BTC price prediction. Not quite sure. My targets want late adopter is a dead. Yes, late adopter is a dead. I late adopted, but it's a dead. That's why I'm looking at all of you guys like my kids, you know. So I'm trying like to be like nice because I want other people to be nice to my kids. So I'm trying to be nice to you. Could see a genuine YouTube trader and not many out there will start following you. Don't change. Try not to change. All about bonfire. Yeah, the bonfire thing is getting like shielded so much on all the YouTube channels, man, and everywhere. That I lost around 150 on selling cake on the drop. I panicked. I have around 1,300 USD. Should I put all on one coin, e.g. cake again, or a split between 3 coins or something? Splitting the money. Wow, we are way up. Splitting the money, like I see a lot of people have like 1,000, 2,000, you know, and they are splitting money between several coins, and that's a good strategy to use if you don't know what you're buying, because that's kind of minimizing the risk of not knowing, you know. So if you don't know what you're buying, splitting up on several coins, and if you don't know when you're buying, then splitting up on several coins is a good strategy because you minimize the risk. On the other hand, your profits won't be as big as if you just put it on one coin. I myself only put it on one coin, but that's me, because I hope I know what I'm doing, and I hope I know what I'm putting my money in, right? So I put only in one coin because I know that's gonna go up or that's gonna go down, whatever, like, right? And I'm not just spreading above all to minimize risk, because entire cryptos goes up together like a big index fund. So if you don't know what you're doing, probably splitting up is good. I need 2,000 to repay my home loan. I manage 5,000. Please help me, guys. No way. You cannot do that. Okay, so no begging or stuff like that. Go check Octa, AK, Octa, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what it is. All in on bonfire, guys. Yeah, bonfire has been shit a lot. I booked up some at a rebound. I like how you think about car. I'm very practical. Like, I don't need a lot of stuff. I like practicality and usefulness over other things. Hold for the dear life. What do you think about XRP for next week? I think next week all the stuffs might be good. Did you say Anchor was part of the bubble? Everything is part of the bubble, I think. Hold on, buy the dip for the kids. Buy the dips for kids, yeah. Will Luna rise? I think everything will rise. Raise the Berlingo thing is epic in corners. Yeah, I'm not gonna test that out, but I'm taking your word for it. Bonfire. I have 50k on VAT, 30k on ADA, and 20 on various offers. Nice. Luna, may do your own research. Yeah. Everybody do their own research. What do you think about SafeMoon? I don't want to say what I think about it. What I want to say is that I bought it very early, and I sold it very early, and I sold it in a loss with minus 20%, and after that it went 100x. That's what I'm gonna say about SafeMoon, okay? But I don't want to tell you what I think about it. If Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down as well. Yes, that's true. Entertainment's studio entertainment. Look at this first video. When you say A, you gotta say B. Where do you have your coins? I don't have any coins. I sold everything. I'm waiting for the dip. You're the best, bro. Cheers. Put it on XRP, maybe. Maybe XRP is looking kind of sweet at times. Lots of people say this thing is all over, the bull run is done. Who is the people that are saying? I haven't seen anybody respectable say the bull run is over. If you can find me one person that's saying bull run is over, I'll listen to you, man. Will BTD go down any further? BTL. Let me just get to the bottom of the bonfire gas. Bull run is now halfway over. The next word currency. Doge is the next word currency. You always bet on one horse. Yes, I always bet on one horse. What do you think about XRP? Not much delighted. My money profitability went from 3.4 to 1 to later. How the mining is working? Not quite there, man. What are everyone's top 5 cryptos? Probably should be telling people in chat how much coin you're. Probably shouldn't be telling people in how much coin. I don't own any coin. That's why I can tell people how much coin. I don't own. I own 0. You know. Oh, you mean for other people? Yeah. People don't tell other people what coin and how much you own of certain coins. That's not a good thing. If you're a 10k put into today's market, where would it go? Target that I found long time investment. Share. Okay, we are down at the bottom soon. Can you please tell approximately? Can you please tell approximately how much more could it go down before it will start? Everybody's betting on 43, 45k, but it might be bottom right now. We don't know. Full panic buying. Yeah, buying panic right now. How many black shirts do you have? That's a good question. I think I have like 10-15 black shirts. So at one point in my life, I figured out I'm using only black shirts and black pants and black socks. Before I had all kinds of different colors, but then wife was complaining that she has the always. So I said, yeah, just give me black shirts and black pants and black socks, you know. And I have like 50 pairs of black socks. She just put in one box, 2 pairs of black pants I can change, and 10-15 black shirts. It works out very nice. I'm not very complicated man. How long can dip take? In our days, I'm new for a week. Thanks for answering. The dips is probably over until next week. Either tonight or next week, early next week, I think. How many days is considered a run? How many days is a run? Like entire run, entire bull run? Around a year or 2, I think. Can you please tell approximately how much more could it go down when it will start again? 43, 44, 5k. What do you think about a Matic Polygon? Not much. It's just one of those charts I look at. Trev Green, thanks man for the $5. Have you taken a look at a Mellow token? Pancake token with the revenue generate use case in casinos, gambling license due in a few weeks, and I expected a pump. No, I have not seen that, man. There are just too many things going around, too many tokens, I cannot follow everything. Thanks for the $5, I appreciate it, and the $5 are going to my wife's new phone. What limit order should I put for BTC? Don't know, man. Bro, thank you for all your info, love your analysis, you are direct and you don't give a bullshit BS. I appreciate it, man. Thoughts on ARA and Koti? Don't have so many thoughts about it right now. And I think I give up. I cannot get down to the bottom, man. I cannot get down to the bottom. It's 575 people and I'm trying to read everything and answer everybody, but it's just too heavy, man. It's just too heavy. And this 30-minute chart looking like it's gonna break, like, breaking the 50, breaking the 30. Yeah, the dip might finish. Did you buy the dip, guys? Did you buy the dip? I think dip is already finished. If this picks up all the way inside this triangle, the dip is finished. I mean, we hit almost the target, but I'm telling you, entire the box is target. Just because you have 46,500 as target doesn't mean that it's gonna be hit on the dollar. Like the area around it is also the target. Hey man, I'm new here. What do you think about a hot coin? No alts now. Every government around the world is printing unlimited money. BTC will recover strong, maybe. Luna has a soul. What do you think about XRP versus SEC? Do you think it will be over fast? I'm not quite sure what I think about it. XRP can go 10x or more, but it's risky to wanna I own a 5,000, but you need to know it is very risky. Everything is risky, man. Beat it in anything related to Tron network. Your thoughts, and don't have so much thoughts about it. Okay, you know, guys, I'm scrolling all the way down. Yeah, back to 50k. Yeah, back to 50. I bought half my holdings. Melo is a big long win term hold, 3% distribution. Imagine the trading volume on a casino. EOS has a lot of casinos on its blockchain. Sign off Patreons and get restressed. Rafael, thanks for shilling my Patreon. Listen to Rafael, guys. Was panic. Yeah, it was panic. I sold my wife and kids to buy Bitcoin, and now look. Why panic, dude? Keep calling. It's a good time to buy ADA. I don't know. What do you think about the next alt season? This is alt season, man. Is it good investment now? Please answer. Is it good investment? It's always good. Crypto is always good investment. It just depends on how long do you hold. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Emma, resistance is strong though. What do you think about AVAX? I don't know if people are spamming or there are just too many people trying to talk. This is like the new record, 600 people at the same time. First of all, everybody, appreciate that you have that you came to the stream. I appreciate everybody being here, chatting around and answering. But you know, yes, is a great plan. I'm still waiting for all-time high. Yeah. EOS was one of my biggest losses though. What will they use for mid caps? Yeah, whatever. So it's still not breaking the 30. It's still got 11 minutes left, so I think we're gonna give it a go for 11 minutes and see what's actually happening. 5 minutes, it just got back below the 50 moving average. So 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart is actually giving it resistance to go. If it cannot break up here and it starts breaking below the 10 moving average, this might actually indicate that we are going inside some kind of new bearish pattern, and we might continue going down. But it did pick up a lot though. It did pick up a lot. If you look on the daily, it picked up way a lot. It picked up tremendously. If you bought the dip down here, you would already be up 3.6%. This is a joke, man. 3.6% is not. Did you see the previous dip, like on some things? Okay, this is not that much. This is 10%. Okay, that's better than 3.6%. That's better than 3.6%. This is just a bounce to go up to 1 million. We're all good, yeah. Okay, so since there are a lot of new guys over here, I might as well teach you something, right? Give you some value for coming here, for like I think I told this in the previous stream as well. So reason we are actually dumping, right? So there was this rising wedge, right? There are a lot of indication that are indicating this dump over here. That doesn't matter. What matters is that a lot of traders are trading this. A lot of people are buying, and they're getting into, right? So when everybody is in, the price cannot move higher. Psychologically, the price cannot move, because if everybody is in over a long period of time, the price cannot move higher. So you have the leverage traders, you have moms and dads, you have students, you have everybody's in here, you know, everybody. The institutional investors, a lot of people are bought up here. So what happens then? What happens then is the price cannot move higher because you have no new buyers, and new buyers are only coming in when they see the price go higher, 70,000, 80,000, right? And with new buyers are not coming in, you know, the price stagnates and everybody. So you need this dump. This dump is very important because all of these people that are weekends, they start selling. And when weekends start selling, the price starts going down. And when price starts going down, then you take out the leveraged loans, and those people start selling. And the price goes lower and lower, and all of the people that are up here, up here starts going down here, and all of the people here start selling weekends, and it goes lower, and then you got all of these people up here start selling, right, and it goes even lower, and then everybody starts selling, like everybody above there starts selling. At the end, like, there is no more weekends to sell. At the end, all the leverage long that have been initiated stop losses are gone. At the end, a lot of players are out of the game. So what happens then is the price starts pumping up, and then all of these people that are out start getting back in, FOMOing back in, and they push the price over previous highs. And once price is over previous high, new people start seeing that and start FOMOing in, and the new people now push the price higher up, and the price continues up higher and higher and higher. So this dump over here is very needed for price to go further up, because at one point you just kind of, everybody just kind of gets in, and you know, you need kind of to relief, get some kind of relief from the pump. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. What's happening? 5-minute chart. Did we break the 50 moving average? The yellow line, that's the 50 moving average. We are not breaking it. Maybe here we are breaking it. We still got like a couple of minutes left. 30-minute chart is going to get rejected in 7 minutes, and 1 hourly nothing happening. 4 hourly nothing happening yet. 1 hourly should hold above this line over here, 47.936. Where's the 30-minute line actually? It's also down. We actually broke that and then came right back up again. Also, the 4 hourly and the 1 hourly chart are actually at the same line. 30 is also the same line. Everything is the same line. It looks nice. This is a very important line. 47,936 is a very important line. Yeah, 5-minute charts breaking the 50 moving average, so this might actually continue going up. Can you stop clickbaiting? How am I clickbaiting people? You mean with my thumbnails and titles? Yeah, that's important. What do you think about Cardano Africa deal? You and Ada, market crypto of today. Cardano Africa, I think everybody knows about Cardano Africa. I think it's priced in. I don't think anything is gonna happen. I don't actually know what Africa deal is, but I'm just assuming just some news that something is gonna happen. But I think it's already priced in, and everybody knows about it, and there is no surprise. And I literally came to you because you don't clickbait, left myself. I try not to clickbait. Sometimes I'm like, oh, look at this, but you know, it's time for another intro video. Yeah, we gotta do intro. Late adopter. There you go. Holding 40.7 million BTT from last year. Nice for you, man. XRP sitting around 102. Good time to pick up more. Maybe, I don't know, man. I'll be happy if 15 XRP will do me nicely. Can you take a look at XRP? Not now, man. Just Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is exciting. It's going up. Sorry, you just tuned in. It's okay. The late adopt should be an Asgardian. Not quite sure what it is. What do you think about BitTorrent? Not so much. I do a BitTorrent video every day on YouTube. Friends, I believe the correction is over. Today's dip was meant to be a big, but there wasn't enough selling pressure. Bulls are about to take control now. Yeah, it seems to be like that, man. We were expecting more. It's kind of disappointing. But if this is the old bear's head, I think it might be actually over. Because this daily, I've been talking about this daily. I also mentioned on stream. This daily on the right now sitting at 30. RSI daily is sitting at 30. That's very low. So I think this is some kind of bottom. Serious question: where would you suggest no learn technical analysis? Probably just try it yourself. Just try like drawing pattern. Patterns are very easy. Like just Google patterns, try to figure out patterns, and then you watch other YouTubers how they do it, and then you figure out that 90% of them don't know what they're doing, and then you figure out what works, what doesn't work. If you want to learn tech analysis, stop by my Patreon in maybe around 10 days or something like that. There will be a crash course. You want to pick up that for with you. Do you play any games? I used to play, man. I used to play, yeah, lots of games. I don't do anymore, you know, when you got kids and stuff like that, you know, you kind of get just, stop doing other things, you start doing other things. Okay, the dump is over, guys. I don't know if it's over. I won't say it's over. I won't say it's over. But it did pick up much. It did pick up hugely, but that doesn't mean the dump is over. There have been these pickups where they continue to bleed later. The thing is, daily is closing in 30 minutes. Actually, daily is closing in 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait for the daily. Okay, let's keep a stream for 30 minutes more and see the daily, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. What website is it? It's on the screen. Patreon.com, the late adopter. Are the rumors for 40% tax true? Maybe, but that's America. I don't know why it should affect the rest of the world. So that's just fun the way I see it for Bitcoin. If you look at the weekly chart, 21 MRE when sits at the 44,715 price level, we can use that as a strong support. Maybe. There are a lot of supports. What do you think about scalping? It's not very profitable. You can make a lot more money just by swing trading over like a month or two. And month two is not as, I mean, you buy, there are coins you literally can buy and you get 100%. So why would you try to scalping like 2 to 5% or something like that? And there is a minimal risk because this is spot trading, so you cannot get liquidated. It's a bull market, so everything's going up. The only thing you have to do is figure out when it's the bottom, and then buy the bottom and it's going up 100%. Why would you want to do scalping? No, scalping is not that profitable. You can make some money about it, most likely you'll lose, but it's not that profitable. There are other ways to be more profitable than scalping. Whales are just using capital against tax as a purity to make foam and cash in. Yeah, probably. If you look at the weekly chart, 20, yeah, the ribbon. I don't have the ribbon, but I understand what you mean, man. The 44,715. I'm saying there are other support levels also, not just that one, that are actually quite strong, like the 45 one. One of the strongest supports sitting here at actually 43,000, I think, down there. No, the 45,000. This is one of the strongest support levels that I know of. 45,190, 135 is actually one. Something like that. I'm long 10x on VET from 0.16, hoping this is the bottom. Guys, if you don't know what you're doing, don't leverage trade. I know the sweet money is sweet, but it's easier just to double your money, just to look for 2x, 2x, 2x all the time. Because there is a lot of coins that are doing 100x instead of a week or 2 weeks or something like that. So if you just can manage to buy the bottom, you can get 100x and then do the 100x on that afterwards and do the 100x on that afterwards. But yeah, it's kind of hard to getting a lot of 2x's after each other, and it's easier just to do 10x on one coin once time and get like a lot of money. But it's gambling, it's very hard. $30-minute close now. That does this. What does this say? Let's see 30 minutes close. Yeah, 30 minutes actually managed to break the 10 moving average. Now it's gonna test that this 20 moving average. This one over here. But for every break, it gets a little bit more bullish. It gets a little bit more bullish. We are still not done. This is 4-hourly chart. It's only when we break the 20 moving average that we get really bullish. But if this continues the way it's going to continue now with this this stump over here, I think this might be finished. If in half an hour we close this like over here, I'm expecting this 20 moving average to be broken. Once the 20 moving average is broken, what we are going to look at is this this line, and once we cross this line on the 4-hourly chart and we close above this line, the dump is over. Yeah, 1 hour looks like a retest, major retest. It is, because we are getting this 10 moving average. But that's the way these things goes, you know. You could have taken the chance up down here and hope that this is the bottom, but then it might have been continuing going down. You can have seen these candles up here, and maybe you're watching 30-minute candles, and on the breakout you might have taken a chance. Or you might want to take it a little bit more, you want to be a little more secure, and then you wait for the breakout of the line and then take the chance. But it might actually also go down. So there are several ways to do this. Are you still bullish on ADA and EOS? I'm very bullish on ADA. I don't know how I feel about EOS. It's just been underperforming the entire bull market. So if it doesn't pick now in the second half, I don't know what I'm gonna think about it. 100x leverage, I dare you. You know, if you want to do 100x, that's fine, but use $100. Don't use your your life savings. You know, $100, 100x, that's fine. Gamble with the play money, who cares? People goes to Las Vegas and throw some dollars on the blackjack and stuff like that. That's fine, you know, but it's when they start playing with their savings and stuff like that that people need to smack them in the head and say, hey, what you doing? We're not going lower. Let's go 50k now. Why only 50k, man? Let's go 100k. Why are you stopping us at 50, man? How you feel about BTT? I think BTT is very bullish. I think a lot of people are very bullish on BTT. You guys have to understand that everything, all coins are gonna go up in the bull market. They're just the nature of the bull market. The question is, when is certain coins going to go up? And for that you need technical analysis. That's why you're watching this channel, because we do technical analysis. Now on YouTube, I can only make certain coins because YouTube algorithm is like, you got to make these coins because that's your channel right now. So we do have the Patreon page where you like a lot of coins. What do you think about the ARPA chain? I don't know what ARPA chain is in here. I played blackjack halfway and the dip alerted me because the dip is more profitable. Which one coin would you say it pump a lot over the next week? No clue, man. That's a hard one. When is Doge going to crash? Garbage coin. It did crash, man. What I think? Right now it's minus 4%. It's a 0.25. 0.45 to 25. That's over 50. That's like 50%, at least 45%, something like that. This is a great channel. Thanks, Marco. I appreciate it. What do you think about SafeMoon? If you know what you're doing, go SafeMoon. If you don't know what you're doing, you know. Alice pumped like 60% today. That's what I know about Alice. Great content, dude. I don't know how good content this right is. I'm just answering questions. Do you reflect on past trades? Keep track of your position you had in? No, I don't. I'm not that organized. Best trading app per platform. If you want to trade crypto, only thing you need is TradingView and Binance. And Binance has an app and TradingView has an app, and it's the best thing ever. What about Uniswap, Solana? Uniswap right now I think is very good. Solana is very, very, very risky. That's why I made the video today. You should watch my video on YouTube about Solana. Very risky. You said you don't hold any crypto. Question: when you buy, when will you buy? When? What indicator are you waiting for? This I'm waiting for this. This already happened, so I can buy now if I want. Like you go to the daily. The RSI on the daily is down at 30. Like, how low can this go? The weekly RSI sitting at 58 and is closing in 30 minutes. I can buy whatever I want to buy now. Now that's on Bitcoin, right? But on altcoins they look kind of different. But it's basically RSI MACD, where it sits on the moving averages and stuff like that. If you want to know more of how I rank coins and stuff like that, check the Patreon page, man. Rank a lot of coins. Also watch my YouTube videos. It's pretty simple stuff, but it works very nice. Have you noticed a sudden spikes in BTC? Yeah, I have. I have noticed sudden spikes in BTC. Your thoughts on SIA coin? I don't have any opinions on any coins on the fundamental basis. Do you have a favorite coin, and if yes, why? What's my favorite coin? I don't have any favorite coin. I don't fall in love with coins. I really don't care. All I care about is if I'm gonna get the X2 next time I buy that coin. If I'm gonna get X2, I'm gonna like that coin. I really don't care. Don't fall in love with coins, guys. It just coins is like 2,000 of them. People fall in love in the fundamentals. People fall in love in the story. People fall in love with this and that about the coin. Just forget about it. Just look for the next day that's gonna pump. Will VeChain go up? Everything will go up, but VeChain hit some kind of top. It needs to reset a little bit. What coins do you invest in? Anything that will give me profits. I really don't care. I just joined your Patreon. Nice, I appreciate it, man. Welcome to the party. I hope you learn something on your stay. Also join the Telegram group for Patreons. I think the link is in email. I don't short that much in on spot, well, on margin or whatever. I just go long. It's just much more profitable. Could you please describe again what to expect from Patreon? Seriously consider them. Well, Patreon is like $29. Okay, $29 for 1 month. So buy 1 month. It's like nothing. I mean, of course, it can be a lot of money for certain people. Understand? If that's a lot of money for you, maybe it's not for you, and whatever. Right. The only thing we're doing on Patreon is we rank coins. So if you have problems understanding what coins are good, what coins are bad, when to buy, when not to buy. Like right now, a lot of people are talking about Solana, whatever it's called, right? And that's a very risky coin, because when people start talking about it, it's hitting some kind of very high highs, euphoria phase. You don't buy that. So what we're talking about Patreon is we are looking for coins that are actually having good good technicals, and they are going through this dump. And when nobody's talking about it, then we are talking about them. Okay, these are starting to get good. These other ones not starting to get good, and stuff like that, right? So we are trying on Patreon, we're trying to have some kind of list of coins that are doing good, that are performing, and the coins that are not performing. And I'm not being like shilling anything on Patreon and stuff like that. The only thing we're doing on Patreon is ranking coins, and we do one video every single day. And that video takes like 30 minutes, 30 to 1 hour to go through all of the coins, right? So $29 for 1 month, that means like you pay $1 per video per day, right? Now, if that's expensive to you, like, sure, don't buy it. Like, but I think for most people, that's like the best deal that you will get anywhere ever. And I think it can help a lot of people deciding what coins to buy and what's going up. I'm not saying that you should buy any of these coins. I'm just giving my view on technicals, because I understand these things. I've been going through a lot of technical analysis. So I'm sharing my knowledge on coins, because I cannot do that in YouTube. On YouTube I can make right now I'm making, like, today was 7 videos, but I have to repeatedly make the same videos over and over again, because YouTube algorithm doesn't let me make videos that my channel is not known for. So if I make Cardano, XRP video and Bitcoin video, I have to keep on doing these videos, because if I switch from those to the EOS and Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, then I won't be getting any views, because YouTube algorithm will like, yeah, you're not known for that. You don't have any subscribers that subscribe to you because of that. So you have to keep on making these videos. I think it's a good deal. Like, you tried for 1 month, like $29, like probably the best deal ever. No, I don't. On Patreon, do you tell people when it's good time to buy and sell? No, I don't. I just tell that I like something or I don't like something. I tell this has the good technicals, these don't have the good technicals. This is overbought, this is not overbought. I made few videos on YouTube. If you go to watch my like first holo videos or first one videos or first chili videos, you will see me telling people like, this is overbought, stop buying the hype, because a lot of new people don't know how to buy the coins. They hear like stories, oh, Chili's is great, they have clubs and they have this and they have that, right? And then what happens is they fall in love with these coins and they buy coins, but they buy to the top, and now they have to go through like 1 month or 2 months with consolidation period, because that's what happens. It hits the top and it goes through consolidation period, and this consolidation period can last everything from 1 week to 2 weeks to a month. ADA went through 2 weeks consolidation period. Do you want to wait 2 weeks in consolidation period after you buy? No, nobody wants to do that. So we try to figure out what coins are good buys and what coins are not buys. That's the only thing we do with Patreon. And that helps a lot of people. It's the best deal ever. And soon I will also add a technical analysis crash course for how to buy coins when you don't know technical analysis. So I'll learn you some basic technical analysis and tell you how to scan through coins, how to figure out when something is good buy, when something is bad buy. So you'll know to do it yourself. But that's gonna come later. Hey man, I'm a big fan of your channel. I'll watch pretty much every video. Thanks man, thanks Billy, I appreciate that. How many minutes left? 16 minutes left to the daily close. What's happening on the 5-minute chart? Nothing hitting the 100 moving average. Still not on the 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart. Getting a little bit rejected at 20, not yet there. Getting rejected on the 10, still not yet there. So we did pick up a lot on the way up. 4.77%, so that's nice. Some altcoins are already in green. Any ideas how much profit your Patreons have made with the help? I don't know, man. No clue. BTC is oversold moment. Yeah, that's what we think. When will weekly chart start? Weekly chart. It starts in no, this is monthly. Weekly chart starts in 15 minutes. And it looks very nice. So if we close here on the weekly chart as well, this is something called RSI hidden bullish divergence. So basically the price doesn't go down, the price goes up, but the RSI goes down. That's hidden bullish divergence. So the price reverses over here, right? So this can be very bullish if we stop over here and start going from this point or further up, because this will indicate a very bullish reversal pattern, hidden bullish divergence on the weekly chart, which can be very bullish, very bullish. Do you think tomorrow is going to be a red or green day? I think it's going to be green. I'm betting on green, but I don't know. Thing can happen, thing can happen. Do you analyze futures and options other than pure tech analysis? No, just spot on crypto, not anything else. PSG guys, this is the crypto football team in France, Paris Saint-Germain. Every Champions League game there is a huge pump. How long will the bull market last? I'm very bearish on that, so I'm always saying like 1-2 months, 2-3 months, but it might be last like half a year more. I don't know. Getting tired now. Just waiting for this daily close. So 13 minutes left, guys. What are we gonna watch? 5-minute chart. 30-minute chart. It's not gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen. 1-minute chart. Yeah, let's look at 1-minute chart for the action. And put some nice tunes on. There you go. Do the intro again before close. Sure, man. The later doctor. That intro is gonna get so old so fast, man. What do you plan to do once we are in bear market? Do the YouTube channel, man. That's why I'm trying to pump the sub numbers. So guys, if you are here and you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. So right now I'm trying to pump the sub numbers. I'm trying to get some kind of thing going on with the Patreon and stuff like that, so I can survive the bear market. The 1-minute chart gives me sight. Yeah, people always, you know, we got this trading view channel, and people always are looking at small time frames like 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever. And they're always like, oh, Bitcoin is going down, oh, Bitcoin is going down, oh, this is going down, this is going up, you know. And I read the chat, so I go and look at what they're saying, and they are always in panic mode. And then I go and look at the chart, and it's like moving like 0.5%, like. Thanks, Carl, sub buddy, cheers. Thanks for not being clickbait the screen with the whole video. But guys, I just woke up, you know, and I saw this thing on the charts. We have to talk about it. It's very important. But first, the Bybit. Check out my tutorial. You know, I don't mind people shilling their stuff. That's fine. But I don't like when people are shilling Bybit, because Bybit is a leverage platform, and most of you guys will get wrecked on Bybit. For sure, like for sure, you will get wrecked on Bybit. So on my channels you got two links or one link. You just got a Binance link, because you know, spot trading. Binance is super. If you want me to show you something, go to Binance, get the app, go to trading, you get the app. With Binance app, trading view app, you got everything you need for trading. I mean, sure, you can get something else if you want to trade meme coins on Uniswap and stuff like that. But Uniswap is just too expensive for people with little money, because the Ethereum fees are just insane. Besides that, like, Binance is superb for trading altcoins, and there are so much altcoins. Like, yeah, I love Binance, man. They are so innovative. They are always front running everything. It's just great. Like, as soon as something pops up, they are the first there to be. Like, look at a pancake swap. As soon as these margin traders started doing with margin trading and leveraging like 100x, they are there. Their platform is innovative, is superbly updated, always front running everything. Binance is great. Also, TradingView, the program that we are using right now, this is superb, man. They are always have new updates on stuff. They are always listening to people, to users, like what more can we add, what will make the things better and easier for you guys. So Binance is not trustworthy. Don't keep all your crypto there, split it up. Well, it depends how much crypto it is. Like, if it's like a couple of $1,000, why not? And sometimes keeping something on a centralized exchange might actually, especially they have what is called, they have a safety fund or whatever it's called, right? So if anything happens to your crypto, they have it backed. So yeah, funds are safe. And for a lot of people, that's a lot more safe than having it something else. PSG cryptocurrency, best one out there actually, perhaps. The late adopter. Aurox is free and all indicators. Been using it 4 days, works fine. Maybe it is, man. Maybe it is. There are other charting programs out there, but I like TradingView. I don't know why. I'm telling you, they are very innovative. They have all the coins. They have everything. I mean, the only guy that I know use something else is that that YouTuber. What is his name? He uses CryptoWatch, right? CryptoWatch.cc, whatever it's called. And besides CryptoWatch and TradingView, I haven't seen anybody using anything else. Not your keys, not your crypto. I know it's a cliche, but the safety mechanism isn't all that. Well, not your money, not your bank account, not your money or something like that. I don't know. There's a lot of things in my life that I don't keep the keys to, but it's still mine. But yeah, it's not. I understand what you mean, man. I understand what you mean, but. What happens if you don't close in 8 minutes above exponential moving? Which exponential moving average? So, what are we looking for now on the daily? We are looking to right now. It looks like we are close below the 100 moving average, which isn't that. I mean, it's a big deal, but it's not that big of a deal. Weekly. We are still way far away from the 20 moving average. Will we go just directly right now to 20 moving average? I don't think so. 4 hourly is gonna close below the 20 moving average, so that might actually be a kind of bearish. So whether this dump is actually finished or not, we have to see. We have to see. Hourly still got 6 minutes to close, and we're gonna close below the 10 moving average. So nothing is in the books. It looks like this dump is at least the first part of the dump is over. Is there some kind of yeah, okay, so 1 hourly over here. Let's make, no, there is not far. On 1 hourly there is a divergence, but the price is going up. The price is going down. The RSI is going up. So that will be some kind of a divergence, right? So that indicated we should get some kind of pump over here, but the pump might already be finished because these 1 hourly pumps don't last for that long. The only thing I want right now is for this RSI to close at 30 level. If it closes at 30 level, right now it's 30.4. It was all the way down at 28. It was all the way down here. Ah, that was low, man. You think we bottomed? Maybe, maybe not. That's why I still haven't bought. Like, I know a lot of people are trying to catch the bottom and buy the dips, and it can be very profitable, of course, but it's also doesn't have to be. Now imagine if you are buying here at the bottom, right, and the price goes all the way down here. And you buy and it starts picking up, and then it goes below your price, and then you sell, and suddenly it shoots right back up. You can never be sure. Like, there are good ways to buy the dip. You can do that if you're hodling. If you average cost buying, sure. Merchandise, black t-shirt with opening graphics. Could be an extra income stream. I'd buy one. On Patreon, do you let people know when you are buying? No, I don't. I think that's an irresponsible thing to do. Because I know a lot of people are looking up to my technical analysis. So if I tell people what I buy, what I sell, and stuff like that, they might actually copycat me. and since they don't know actually, then I have to all the time keep them updated on when I sell and stuff like that. Nah, it's just too much hassle, because if I do sell something and I don't update them and the price goes down, and they'll be like, yeah, but you didn't told me you sold. So nah. I tell people on Patreon, I tell people my opinions on my coins, and that's enough, and they can make their opinions and stuff. No, they're not learning anything, but I try to educate little people. I'm telling them like bits and pieces of that. That's why, but there's just so much you can teach people when you're doing the review of the coins. That's why I'm making the technical analysis course, like mostly for my Patreons, so they will understand what I'm looking at when they're looking at it. I want a late adopter t-shirt. By the fear, even the hate. Bulls are here, bye bye. I eat fear for breakfast. Imski got the right attitude. With crypto you never know, but for this price is very good. When price up tomorrow, you might just miss the biggest opportunity in a long time. Yeah, opportunities comes and go. Listen guys, the best thing I found out very early, you know, I lost some money, a lot of money, because I used the FOMO in, you know. I did not know that much technical analysis. I heard about good projects, I FOMOed in, I lost money, stuff like that. So the rule number one in crypto is never FOMO in. When you see something go up, just say no. Just if it goes too much, just say no, because the crypto will be here tomorrow, the markets will be here next week, the world won't change in a year. The people have been making money on stocks 100 years ago, 50 years ago, and they will be making money on stocks for 50 years from now and so forth. The markets are not going anywhere. The bubbles will come, the new bubbles will come all the time. The crypto is not be all end all. You have to learn self-control and emotional stability. So when you see FOMO and you feel that you have to buy or you're gonna miss it, the probably best thing to do is not to do it. Okay, even though you might have made gains, but you also might have lost. Never, because when you are emotional, you are acting emotionally, you're not acting logically. So best time to buy when markets are calm, not during the dumps, not during the pumps, but when they are going through this consolidation period, like for example that ADA has been going for a long time, because then you have time to be reasonable, to look rationally over the things, and then try to find nice entrance points, and then settle on those entrance points, right? But you at least you are acting with some kind of logic and reasoning, and you're not just FOMOing in. Hey, 48 seconds. 5 pounds. I know you can't see into the future, but I can buy for about 12 hours. Do you think it could still get at a low enough price then? Yeah, sure, man. Why not? Like, we don't know if this is the bottom. Like, we might think it's the bottom. We would like it to be the bottom, but it might just continue going down, because this is 4 hourly is still below the 10 moving average. The 1 hourly is still below the 10 moving average. Only 30 and 5 minutes are below above it. Like, nothing's changed. We are still in the downtrend. Until we break this horizontal line up here, until we break this line up here, over there, we're still in a downtrend. And did we get let's clean everything. Did we get the daily? Yeah, the daily closed. So what we have right now is a close on daily at 30 RSI. That's a very, very low. Now the 30 RSI is very important because previously, let me use this chart over here. 30 RSI, this is the previous bull market, 2017. Only times we had 30 RSI was here, 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 and here, 4 times. And all of these times was the bottom. You can go check your charts. Every time we hit 30, that was the bottom. So that's why, and you can see here previously, even in this bull market, we never, in the start here, when we started the bull market up here, we had 33. So having 30 right now, it's very, very low. And that happens all here at Corona, this stamp here, where there should be start of bull market, and over here as well. So you can see why this 30 RSI is very, very important. This indicates some kind of bottom, okay? Sure, it can still dip lower, but right now the levels are so low. The levels are so low and oversold. Also, even this little bit green candle is right now giving us convergence on a MACD on the daily chart. Even this little green candle. That's let's look at a weekly. This looks like a bearish cross, but if this starts going up, it's gonna correct. So no problem there. And we closed on the weekly at 58. And not only that, a lot of coins right now have closed very nice levels, So I'm very bullish on a lot of stuff for next week, a lot of stuff. For example, Engine coins closed on 63 on the weekly. BTT closed 66 on the weekly. These are superb levels. Holochain closed 56 on the weekly. What are the Chili's closed 61 on the weekly. You know, guys, next week is gonna be superb. You don't know, I think next week might be actually superb. Next week might actually be. These levels on these coins that, you know, Engine coin, it's been going through a long 1, 2, 3 and then in 4 or 5 weeks, a long consolidation period. BTT is going through 3 weeks of consolidation period and now it's getting up. Holochain, 3 weeks of consolidation period, and now it's hitting this 10 moving average. So a lot of coins are actually hitting this really nice levels right now. So this dump was really needed for altcoins. So right now altcoins can do a lot of pumping. So if you want to know which altcoins we are gonna most likely to pump, which altcoins are not, which altcoins already pumped, like Solana, whatever it's called. You want to hear it from me, check out the Patreon, guys. It's not that expensive. And that's it for the stream, guys. I need to get some sleep. Thanks for joining me. It was a lot of fun. I like chatting with you guys. Join the Telegram channel, guys. A lot of people are there. I read there a lot. You guys are quite funny most of the time. So how about Theta potential next week? I think everything has potential for next week, man. How about Polygon? Polygon Matic, yeah, XRP. Take care, buddy. You too, Lisa. Good night, man. Thank you for Hannah. You're welcome. Good night. Thanks, man. Thanks. You're welcome, Jen. What do you use for your chart? TradingView. TradingView.com. Good night, dude. Thanks. Get some sleep. You too, man. Thank you for great live. You're welcome. This is what it's all about. I just joined Patreon. Nice. Welcome, Mortal. Join the Telegram group as well. Weekly bullish or bearish? Weekly is bullish, like bullish as bullish can be. Link Patreon, please. It's on the screen. Patreon.com, the late adopter. Okay, guys, let's do an intro and exit charts. Bam! The late adopter. See you around. Bye bye.